Hey friends. I am so happy because I just got engaged. I can't contain myself. I'm like glowing. I'm a new whole woman. Like, who can talk to me? Anyways, so I've been seeing these faux locs everywhere and I've been wanting to try it. Oh my god, the fan has been on. I have been seeing these faux loc style everywhere, so I was like, let me try it. I want to try it. I want to see if I can do it. Okay, so I gave it a try and I love it. I love it. I love it. Get into it. Get into it. Look at color. Whoa. Yeah, I really wanted them long, but honestly this entire process was annoying and I wasn't having it, so I did it to about the length of my own hair. So yeah, anyways, I've been seeing tutorials everywhere and everyone says it's so easy. It's a few steps, you just wrap it around your hair. No, it's a lie. It's a whole lie. It's, hold on. Okay, my mom's literally down the hall. She called me. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, it's not as simple as people make it seem. Okay, it was hard to wrap this around my braided hair and to keep it together. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but it's not easy. So straight up, it's difficult if you don't. And the joke is, like, I've been doing my hair for like over a decade. I'm the only person that does my hair, and I thought this would be a breeze, and this took me like 12 hours. 12. It shouldn't have taken me 12 hours to do, you know? So I thought it would have been like maybe 3 to 4 hours to do this, but no, it was a struggle. Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved these faux locs. I'm proud of myself. I think it's very cute. Yeah, I want to show you the hair I use. It's actually the Freetress braid in water wave. Freetress braid, the style of water wave, 22 inches. And you also need a crochet needle. You'll see all the things that you need if you keep watching. So yes, and I got this. So this is the color 1B and 33. I think that brown is in here. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So stay tuned. That looks so cute. I love it. All right, yeah, keep watching. I started off on clean hair, and here you can see I single braided my own hair. And be mindful to leave a lot of space at the root area because you're going to be crocheting through the root area. So this is me about 12 hours later. I'm just showing you the process so far. So you'll need a small strand of hair, your crochet needle, and to begin you're going to grab the hair with the crochet needle and pull it right through your root. This is why you need to leave a lot of space in your root area. Be sure to make a loop with the hair. You're going to pull it all the way down to the length that you would like it to be, and you begin to wrap the hair. While wrapping, I'm making sure that it's very secure and tight. Very secure and tight. This is important. You don't want the hair to unravel. once you get to the bottom, you'll start wrapping in an upwards motion instead. You have to rub the hair together to keep it intact. Next, you'll grab another piece of hair and pull it through the same dread that we just made. This is a little bit different though. Instead of making a loop, you're gonna pull both ends out. Just like that, honey. That's how it should look. So you're going to be pulling the strand of hair this time. This is going to give it the distressed look, and we're creating layers with our dread now. Just a little tip, if you find the ends hard to stay put, create a little knot and then rub the ends together. Now we're just going to repeat the same step we did with the other end of the hair. Ooh, look at that dread. Now I have one more to do. I'm going to do that and come right back. And we're finished. Yes, I love how it turned out. I love it. I love the colors. I love the length. It was annoying to wrap the hair around my braid, but it was worth it. I love it. Let me know if you have any questions. Just leave it in the comments below. I really hope that my little tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at coily.com.